guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabulas or other like that softwares from your Honor X7a. So let's start. If you see something like that in the notification bar or something like that, spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, for example, that means you have a notification virus, and you can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the settings. Sorry about that. Then go to the apps. Choose apps again. And check this list to the end, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before by yourself, the app that you have not recognizing the name of it, just tap on it and click on install. Configure it by OK and go back to the apps in there. In the second step, we have to open the web browser. In my case it's Chrome. Then go to the storage and choose manage storage. Now choose clear all data option and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I'm always using Avast. In this app, tap on the Get Started, Next, and Skip. Skip for now. Oh, sorry, we have to close to ad before that. So, close the ads and click Continue as free. Now tap on the green circle and tap on the Allow to grant a permission to the Avast for the files. Now go back to the Avast again and choose scan type. I'm always using the deep scan. And now after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares shall be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.